In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to tasks in Asana and boost teamwork effortlessly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring the right people into a task so everyone stays aligned, informed, and ready to take action. Let's start from inside your Asana workspace. First, locate the task you want to collaborate on. This might be a task you've just created, something assigned to you, or a task that's part of a larger project. Go ahead and click on that task to open it. When you open a task in Asana, you'll see its details on the right side of your screen, including the task name, description, due dates, and other fields. Now, focus your attention on the assignee section near the bottom area of the task details. This is where you typically see who is responsible for completing the task. Right next to the current assignee, or in that same section, you'll notice a small plus icon. If you don't immediately see the icon, you should still see an area where a name appears, or a field where you can click to add a person. Click on the plus icon, or directly on the name field in the assignee section. This is what tells Asana you want to involve more people in this task. Collaborators are not necessarily the person who owns the task, but they will receive updates, see comments, and stay in the loop on progress. This is especially helpful when multiple team members need visibility, even if only one person is ultimately responsible for getting the work done. Once you've clicked that area, a search bar will appear. Start typing your teammate's name, just as it appears in your Asana workspace. As you type, Asana will show you a list of matching teammates. Look through the suggestions and select the correct person from the list. When you click their name, they'll be added as a collaborator on the task. You can repeat this process to add more teammates if needed. Each collaborator you add will now receive notifications when the task is updated, commented on, or marked complete. This keeps communication centralized in one place instead of scattered across emails or chat messages, and that's all there is to it. Open the task, click the plus icon or name field in the assignee section, type your teammate's name, and select it. With these simple steps, you can make sure the right people are always connected to the right tasks, making your team's workflow more transparent, efficient, and collaborative.